What's good, YouTube? This is your boy, J.M.D, 2 times with the cool times, and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Today's video, I'm about to get straight into the story time. I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm not gonna waste my breath. I'm not gonna do none of that. Get to the story time. Basically happened over the past few days, and I'm really heated, but I'm trying to act civil as possible. But if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Back off that like button. You break back off of it. Get straight to the story time. So basically, I sold an item on eBay or whatnot, and you know, selling stuff on eBay was at first it was complicated, but nowadays it ain't all that complicated. Technology is advancing, and this is great. So I had something listed. It got sold within the next day, which was, I believe, posted it Tuesday. It got sold Wednesday. Oh, okay, cool. So I'm looking like wise. The money not in my account, my PayPal account, and the reason being is because the way that eBay does stuff now. Because when eBay first started, used to be a whole bunch of scammers that used to get on there, used to scam people and that. So the way that they have it set up now, when your money get in your account, they put a hold on it, and it's basically like you can't touch the money, you can't get the money until they release it. So I'm thinking it's like, because you know, you gotta get the package out there, and it said an option. It said, if you want your money sooner, add tracking number or something like that, or contact eBay, something like that. So I added a tracking. I didn't add a tracking number yet. Within the past 2 days, I've been trying to get the package out, and today I finally got the package out. And just give me 1 second. Looking at me drink. Hold on. Tripping. You still here? I just so nosy. Oh my god. Back to the story. So what they do is, like I said, they put your money on hold, and basically you can't touch the money until they release it. So I'm like, the hell? I hate it. So I go to USPS, United States Postal Office, yesterday, and I try to get me a box or whatever. Well, I try to see, you know, I didn't know how the whole shipping thing went. This is my first time shipping something. So went up there, told dude, I was like, this is my first time shipping, I don't know, like, well, before I went up there, I bought the label that you're supposed to put on the box. Got the label. Then went up to USPS, and they basically was telling me that I gotta buy boxes from them, and I gotta get like everything in pack, and I had to, you know, get ready for it to be shipped. So I'm like, all right, that's why I gotta buy a box. I don't got cash on me right now, so I'll just come back. So I went back, but I went to a different location, and you know, got everything boxed up. The lady was like, "You sure that's gonna be a good enough box? Cause it's got a lot of room in that." Just do what you gotta do. Just put the damn stuff in there. So I had to help her put the little label on it, whatever. I thought they had clear tape, but you gotta buy that shit. And I'm not gonna buy this. So, and the tape was $3.49. $3.49? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Not even bothered with that. So what I did, I end up just buying the box, using the priority mail tape, and then got a box. It was an extra large box. I was looking for a large box, but I couldn't find one. The only thing they have is extra large, medium, and small. Use the extra large box, and put the little item in there. So she weighed it. It was correct, like it was yesterday. Everything was correct. So put the box and everything. So it's all good. She scanned it. I paid for the box. The box was $6, by the way. A $6 box. I should just went behind Walmart and went into Goodbees and then just got me like a little raggedy, messed up box or something like that. $6 for a box. I'm like, alright, whatever. I'm just trying to get this out of here so I can get my money. I get in the car. Check my PayPal. The money's still on hold. So I'm like, what's the problem? Like, what's really good? What's really good? Tell me. Basically. Well, I go home and I get on my computer and I'm looking. I'm like, hold up. The boy's choking on chicken. Y'all still gonna continue to stare at me? Stop looking at my lips, goddammit. Get home, get on my computer, look at what I need to look at. So basically, my funds won't be available until the 2nd of February. So at this point, I'm pissed off. Check eBay and PayPal. I call them both on the phone like, hello, is this and eBay? My goddamn money right now. No. Ain't no hold on. I need that right now. I'm like, so I'm having difficulties understanding why my money is still on hold. It's been taking me like a minute to do this. When my money is still on hold, and I sent the package out, did all of that, and still I got my money. Now, we just do that for safety issues. What's the damn safety issue, man? What is the damn safety issue? They said just wait until the 2nd or whatever, February 2nd, and I'll receive my funds. I hung up in their face. I'm on BS right now. You want me to wait until February 2nd? I need it's my money, and I need it right now. That's what I'm saying. It's J.M.D. At the end of the video, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and make sure if you guys are new again, please subscribe. Share this with your friends, share this with your family, share this with your brother, your sister, your boo thing, your mama, your papa, your dada. Whoever you want to tell the story to. Because if y'all had that same experience, please just share me with y'all experience, and I just want to see who's been through that pain before, because I that right there made me mad. And it was my first time selling anything too. So it's like, bro, I don't know. Hey guys, I gotta go do something. I gotta go do some other stuff on the internet. So it's your boy, I'm J.M.D. 2 times with the 2 times, and I'm out. Peace.